Hello, good morning students. Yesterday we were studying about a team of workers, and I told you when the question was asked to Bailey that what work you do at that time, what Bailey said? Bailey said that I do work of digesting the food, but what are other my work is inside the stomach. When Bailey said this, other parts of body did not did not keep faith on whom? They did not kept faith on Bailey. They said no, whatever you are telling that it is inside. How we can know that you are doing work inside the body or inside the stomach? So then as it was telling that give me some food, I need some food. Other parts of body, hands, legs, hands, feet, nose, eyes, ears, mouth, they said no, you will not get any food, and you don't try to deceive us, don't cheat us. Then what happened further? Here it is told that now 3 hours later, 3 तास झाल्यानंतर, when Bailey asked question that I need some food, the other parts of body said no, we cannot give you food, you don't try to deceive us. Then what happened after that? 2 days are getting over. After 2 days getting over, then again question is asked by Bailey, how are you my friends? Now Bailey is asking question to whom? Bailey is asking question to the hands, Bailey is asking question to the eyes, Bailey is asking question to the ears, mouth, feet. Okay. So then mouth gives answer, oh, I feel so dry. Understood? Now when mouth will not eat food and if mouth will not drink water, what will happen? Mouth is saying that, oh, I feel so dry. Hands and feet, they say, we feel so weak. What had happened to us, or what has happened to us, that our body, parts of body, hands and feet are saying that we feel very weak, or we feel so weak. Then comes turns of eyes. Eyes are saying that we can't see properly. What eyes is saying? We can't see properly because of weakness. As body will not get food, and from that food, even if the body will not able to get energy, then what will happen naturally? Hands will not get energy, legs will not get energy, eyes will not able to see. Correct? Ears will not able to hear. What will be the condition of stomach? There will be stomach ache. Correct? Why there will be stomach ache? Because stomach will ask for food, mouth will become dry, because if the part of the body is not getting water, it will dry up. Then comes ears and nose. There comes after that, whose turn comes? Ears and nose. They say that we feel so tired. Then all are saying, what's the matter? What is wrong with all of us? When Bailey asked question that how are you all my friends, at that time each and everyone is telling their problem. Hands and feet are saying that we are so tired. Correct? Mouth is saying I am so dry. Ears and nose is saying that we are tired. Okay? And then all parts of bodies, they are saying that we are what is wrong with us? Why are we tired? Why our mouth is dry? So there is a brain. Okay, now one character will be brain. So one child will come and tell, now brain. Now brain is the another part of body, and now what brain is going to tell them is, you silly fellows. Okay, now what sentence is used by brain? You silly fellows, now you have no energy. What gives you energy? Food. Who works on food to give you energy? Think. Who might be working on to give you energy? The food which goes from mouth inside the stomach, there is a process which takes place in the stomach. Then who does that process? Have you just thought on it? Here a question is asked. All are saying that, could it be, is it the belly? Then brain says that yes, of course, belly digests food and sends energy to all of you. Do you understand it now? Then all other parts of body, hands, feet, eyes, nose, mouth, they are saying that yes, now we know this belly does a lot of work. Though he does not show it off, he does important work, and all holds hand and sing together. Now all parts of body come together. Who was not there with other parts of body? Belly was not allowed to be friend of other parts of body. Why? Because they used to say that belly does not do any work, and then they sing a song that work, 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 in the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. Correct or not? The song which was sung by them in the starting of the lesson is what? Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. Then why they are happy? Because they understood that the work of belly inside the stomach, correct or not? The work which is done by belly is very much important, because it digests food, and then after digesting food, it turns into energy. That food which is digested, it turns into energy, and that energy other parts of body get. And who tells them? Brain, because brain is very intelligent. Yes or no? In this way we have completed lesson, and they sing a song, work, 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 in the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. Now here it is told that in exercise 1 question is given, enact the play. You have to do acting of the play. As we are not together, it is not possible for us to do together. Now your second question is given is, read the following words from the lesson and find rhyming words for each. We have to find out what? We have to find out rhyming words. Now there are some rhyming words I will give you from the lesson. Hop, stop. Question number second, first, HOP, hop, STOP, stop. Near, here. Deceive, receive. These are, how many rhyming words are told? Okay, already examples are given over here. Then what is rhyming word of rest? Where is rest? R-E-S-T, rest. Come on, find out. R-E-S-T, rest. B-E-S-T, best. Come on, four rhyming words I have given you. There are more 3 rhyming words that you have to find out in the lesson. Okay, please find out and then write down remaining 3 or 4 whichever rhyming words are left. Okay, that is your homework for today. Please complete your homework in time and keep your notebooks ready. Whenever we will call you for checking, you have to come and get your notebooks checked from the teachers. Thank you.